Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to buy parts on Amazon. So the easiest way for me to figure this out, or to at least explain it, is without going through the menu, is go into the top bar, search up brakes. Okay, let's just search up brakes and rotors. Okay, and what you want to do is you're going to click on just a brake and rotor, right? Just whatever. Actually, we can go back here. It says click to confirm your vehicle part. If it doesn't show that already, then on the bottom of it, it should say check for a vehicle. Okay, so then you're gonna hit manage your garage, and I'm pretty sure it's the same way. It's the same way that it is on the computer too. But once you're in here, so you're able to set your car into your Amazon app. Okay, so you're able to go to manage vehicle, right? And then you're able to go to add a vehicle, and then you can add your whole vehicle here, things like that. So then when you add, and then you can add your full specs, your trim, things like that. And then what you can do is you can go to the tires and wheels, and it'll show you, okay, you can get these 4 set of tires for $224. And actually they have a pretty cool deal. So when you go to the tires, or if you just search up tires, on the top it's going to say tap to find your tires, right? So once you have all that information in, you can click on here, right, set to tires, right? And then it's going to show you on the bottom, hey, make sure Amazon, it fits your car, right? So we confirmed it for the car that I had here, and it says it fits the car. So there you go, it's checked. So that's good. It shows you the car there and everything. And the cool thing is it will send the tires to a local store to get it set up for your car. So for instance, right, so let's say you add this to cart, right? It may do it. Hey, who knows, it may have changed. I go to proceed to checkout, right? Yeah, so it's not showing for this one, but certain tires you're able to send it to a shop. So let's search up tires again. Let's search up tires again, and let's see which one does it. It might be the Prime, maybe. Let's see. Maybe it's the Prime ones. Let's see. Yeah, in-store installation. There you go. So some of these also have professional services, like the in-store installation. So you can choose the location, and what it's going to do is it's going to send it to your location here, which is pretty dope. And then it's showing like $15 a unit. It shows the reviews there and everything, right? Which is pretty dope. So Amazon does this. Not only do they do this with tires, brakes, and everything else on there. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, so I mean, if there's any other questions, yeah, you can pretty much buy any car part off of Amazon as of now. And I made another video showing that you could buy an actual car on Amazon. So just know that. But yes, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in another video. Peace.